We are Hammond McNevin, Heating and Plumbing Limited, and our business is heating and plumbing, and we're from St Helens. We found out about Accounting Express from St Helens Chamber. Before starting our business, we didn't have any knowledge whatsoever, but we've been with Accounting Express. We've learned the basics to it and found them a great help. Paperwork, lots of paperwork. Don't like doing it.
Lots. It's helped with the paperwork, and it's also turned us into a limited company. Easy access on the internet, and you can check up to date on your accounts.
The staff at Accounting Express are very friendly, very helpful, and I enjoy dealing with them.
Definitely give Accounting Express a try. The value for money. Most definitely.